Okay, hello, good afternoon YouTube. Welcome back to another video, another unboxing of a wheel that I bought last week. There's two here, two of them are put away. This is a wheel for the Suzuki, and if you remember, about 4 years ago, I had bought a set of Koenig Ultraforms, which I'm still running on the car, but I decided to change it up a little bit, and so this time I'm going back to a Motegi wheel, and this one here is going to be a Motegi MR145 Traklite 3.0, and the size is still kind of the same, 17 inch, but I went half an inch wider than the Koenig. So now I'm going to try to run a 17 by 8.5 plus 42. So let's unbox it and take a look and see how it is. So again, like all the other wheel packaging, very well packaged. Take the wheel out. I'll move this box out here. Alright, and that's what the wheel looks like. I went with a 6-spoke design. So this one again is a 17 by 8.5 plus 42. So it'll be interesting to see if this wheel will fit. I will obviously have to test fit it before I mount any tires on it. The tires will be the same size as what I'm running now, a 245 45 17. And there's the back of the wheel. Again, this hub bore obviously is much bigger than on the hub bore of the Suzuki, but again, using centering rings, we can center this wheel up perfectly onto the car. Bolt pattern is still 5 by 114.3 mil or 5 by 4.5. So, I mean, I believe it will fit, but until I actually try to test fit it, we really won't know. The weight itself is actually still pretty light. This is still a full form wheel, kind of like the Koenig, so it's not going to be that much more weight on the car versus the 17 by 8 that I'm running now. Alright, so stay tuned. Probably be a few months before I actually try this wheel on, but I have a feeling it will fit, and the Koenig Ultraforms is still a great wheel. I'm not selling that wheel, I'm going to hang on to it. I'm probably going to move it on to another car that I have, and then we'll try these guys on and see how it is. Alright, stay tuned and keep an eye out for new videos coming up soon. Alright, have a good day.